In the previous video we have discussed about hardware and software. Software is classified into two types. First one is system software, second one is application software. System software is nothing but OS. Okay, the hierarchy is like this. User can interact with the application software. The application software will interact with OS. By using the OS we can work with hardware. Already we know that OS means, what is OS? It's an interface between user and system hardware. Okay, it's vice versa. Okay, user can interact with the application software. Application software can interact with operating system. Operating system can interact with the system hardware. Mainly this is one important layer. Without this operating system we cannot work with the computers, system hardware. Okay, these are application softwares are developed by programming languages. Application software are developed by programming languages. Okay, programming language already we know that language is nothing but way of communication. Language is nothing but way of communication. Okay, in the languages, in the programming languages we discussed about two types of programming language. One is compiled programming language, second one is interpreted programming languages. Okay, the compilation language, suppose I'm going to write a program in C language and I'm going to save this program from with test.c. .c is the C program file extension name. Whenever we compile this program, if all the code is correct, that means syntax and semantics are correct in this program, it will generate one test.exe executable file. This program code we can read and understand. In this test.c, generally we have English and mathematical notation, so we can understand this code. This one newly generated file, executable file, we can understand the code. Here the code is binary language or system understandable code. Whenever we run the program, the system will not run this test.c file. It will run the executable file, then it will give the output. So the compilation will done all at once. That means sequentially it will checking the errors and it will compile and create the exe file at a time. Whereas in the interpreted program, suppose test.html, I'm taking HTML program. Okay, in this program, if there is no compilation, there is no duplicate, there is no extra file will be generated here. It will directly interpreted in some softwares, whereas this one will be interpreted in browsers, web browsers. Web browser is nothing but web browser, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome. Okay, these are piece of softwares which is used to run the HTML programs. Means the browsers will interpret the .html code directly. In this case no extra file will be generated. Okay, here if we have 1 to 100 lines of code, okay, in this case in these two cases, if we have 100 lines of programs, 100 lines of program, at the 99th line we have error. Think that we have error at 99 line. In this case, C program will not work. That means it will not compile. It will compile if all the program is correct, all 100 lines are correct, then only it will generate a executable file. In this interpreted language, it will execute 98 lines, 1 to 98 lines it will execute, and it will stop here itself. This is the main difference between compilation languages and interpreted languages. For the example of compilation languages, C, C++, Java, etc. A number of languages are available in the market. Here HTML and that Python, some examples of the interpreted language. This is our topic today. Thank you.